answers indicate trouble. I'll lead the way.
Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Transformers. I'm going to be opening lots of different sets. I can't wait to see them all. Let's open a Bumblebee. Wow, this is a black Bumblebee. In 5 steps we'll have a black car. Let's check it out. Wow, look at the black Bumblebee. That's really cool. I love how his head can move, and he's got movable arms and movable legs. Let's see what he's like as a car. And there's the car. Let's check out the next one. This is Bumblebee. He has a blue sword. He changes in 7 steps. Wow, what a robot! And an amazing car. Let's play. He has arms and his hands can actually hold something. Let's give him his sword. And he has these really cool legs that move at the knee. I wonder what he's like as a car. Let's find out. Transform! And he's all ready to go. Now let's open an Optimus Prime. Wow, look, he comes with an axe. In 9 steps, we can go from robot to car. Let's open it up. Look at his axe. Here we have the Optimus Prime robot. Look at those cool feet. Transform! And just like that, Optimus Prime is transformed. Let's open our next Bumblebee. This Bumblebee comes with a black sword. He's really similar to the other one, but his body is blue. And he has flames. Ooh, I'm gonna be ready to see this Transformer transformed. Look at his head. He can still hold his sword. He's really neat. Are you ready to transform? Let's go. And there's the really cool Bumblebee car. I love the flame on the side and the change in the stripe on the top. Let's compare it to our other one. You also could see the windows are different. Let's check out our other Optimus Prime. There are so many different Transformers you can collect. Wow, check out his axe. Ooh, look at this Optimus Prime. I love the colors. Dark blue and turquoise are great colors. Should we transform him? Let's go transform. And there's Optimus Prime. Let's compare him to our other Optimus Prime. Wow, they look really different. This is Optimus Prime Blizzard Strike. And this is Optimus Prime Original. Now we have a 2-pack. It's got Bumblebee and Major Mayhem. Ooh, I can't wait to see. It has lots of accessories too. Let's open it up. Major Mayhem. Just like that, we can transform him. Check out this Bumblebee. Let's transform him first, and then we'll come back and look at all the accessories. Wow, just like that, he's transformed. Now let's transform him back and look at all of his accessories. Very cool. He has a special helmet and special armor, a nice special sword, and even some special armor on the legs. So we have a lot of Transformers and a lot of different kinds. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.